question 1 upon x minus 2, and this one if you send this side minus 1 upon x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Let us take the LCM. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is the LCM. Greater than or equal to 0 to the LCM here x plus 1 minus of x minus 2. What I get here, this implies what I get here, x plus 1 minus x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Minus x plus x cancel. This is you are getting 3. So 3 upon, you are getting here 3 upon x minus 2 into x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. 3 send that side, that is a number. 1 upon x minus 2 into x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So you got this one, right? You have to find the solutions of this one. So take the number line, you have infinity, minus infinity, mark the zeros, here minus 1, this is plus 2, plus, minus, plus. So greater number, plus in the sense, plus 1 is the right answer, plus 1 is the right answer, this is the right answer, and denominator should be excluded, denominator should not be included. So the answer is minus 1 comma 2. X belongs to minus 1 comma 2 is the right answer. Let us go for the next question. So this is the right answer, minus 1 comma 2. Let us go for the next answer. Minus x square plus 7x minus 6 is less than or equal to 0. Then you can do here minus common out, x square minus 7x plus 6 is less than or equal to 0. Multiply with minus. Okay, if you are multiplying with minus 1, then this will become, this total will become, this is minus 1, if I multiply it will become positive. So plus x, and this less than or equal to become greater than or equal to 0. I am multiplying both sides with minus 1, so this will become positive. So now you got x square minus 7x plus 6. 6 will get 6 ones are 6. So x square minus 6x plus x minus x plus 6 greater than or equal to 0. I am splitting this one. Okay, x minus 6 minus 1 common out, x minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Let us x minus 6 is common out, so x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Plot on the number line here. So 1 and 6, 1, 6 plus minus plus. Plus is the answer. Okay, and you have on the numerator, so equal to symbol, so closed bracket is the answer. So minus infinity to 1 closed union 6 to infinity, and 6 also closed bracket. Reason is here you have equal to symbol. So the answer is minus infinity to 1 union 6 to infinity. Let us go for this question. I already informed you. Odd power we have to make it a single power, single one, and even power remove this. Okay, and the question is not completed. Let me write the question. Okay, so this question is less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. And the previous question answers, let us see here. Question number 7 answered. Question number 7 you have got. What is the right answer you got? Minus 1 comma 2 you got, right? Greater than or equal to symbol, right? Greater than or equal to means, sorry here. You have here greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to means what here? Minus infinity to minus 1. And you have denominator is excluded. This is not included. Equal to symbol is there, but these are in denominator. So these are not a solution. So minus infinity to minus 1. Union 2 to infinity. This is your answer. So minus, question number 7 answer is minus infinity to minus 1 union 2 to infinity. That is the C is the right, D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Okay, let us go for 8th question. 8th one answer is what? What you got here? You have greater than or equal to symbol. Minus infinity to 1 closed union 6 to infinity. This is the A option is right. A option is right. Okay, let us see that question. So odd power you have to make single power, even power remove it. Okay, remove it and just mark what is the 0 of this, minus 8. And you have x plus 1. And that one, other one is x square plus 4, that I can write as positive number. That x square is a positive number, so positive number completely you can take that side. So totally you remove that one. So but whenever you remove remove that one, just see that x square plus 4 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to minus 4. So this is not the answer. So remove total. So now down here x power 6 even number, remove this one, 0 mark it. Okay, here odd power x minus 2 keep it. Okay, odd power keep it x plus 3. And there odd power x minus 6. And another one even power, remove that, x is equal to minus 9, keep in the mind. Less than or equal to 0. You have less than or equal to 0. So this is the thing we have done. See here, if you have any confusion, you watch my previous videos. All videos, then you will understand. Here I am explaining very fast. Reason is already I taught these all the things. So you can go to the number line, you keep here minus infinity and plus infinity. And what are the zeros you have here? Keep the zeros here on the number line. Zeros are, one is minus 1 plus 4 plus 6. So plus 6 I am taking, plus 4 I am taking, plus 4. And you have here plus 2, you have here minus 1, you have here minus 3. These are the zeros you have, 5 zeros. Now let us mark here plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Now you have what the symbol here? Less than. Less than means negative is the answer. So minus infinity to minus 3. Okay. Minus infinity to minus 3. Union minus 1 to 2. Union 4 comma 6. This is your answer, right? But what you have to do here, numerator should be included. So plus 4 will be the answer. This should be closed. Numerator should be included. That is minus 1. So this will be closed. Denominator should be excluded. So denominator is what? Minus 2 should not be there in the answer. Minus 2 should not be there in the answer. Minus 2 is getting in this answer. No, not getting. Till minus 3 only. Okay. So minus 3 should not getting in the answer. So this is not a closed bracket. Plus 6 should not be answered. Right. Okay, fine then. Everything is good. Now here minus 8. See minus 8. Minus 8 is the answer. This is equal to symbol is there. So minus 8 plus 8 0. So minus 8 should be the answer. So minus 8 should be the answer. Okay. Minus 8 should be the answer. And here 0. 0 is on the numerator, denominator. Should not be answer. 0 should not be the answer here. 0 should not be answer in this. So 0 should be excluded. Minus should be included. 0 should be excluded. Okay, then after what you have, minus 9, right? You have here minus 9. Minus 9 should not be here. Minus 9 where you have down, you have, right? It should not be answer. So minus 9 should be removed. So 0 comma minus 9 means minus 9 0 should be removed and minus 8 should be included. So according to that, what is the answer? Let us see the answer, which one is the correct. According to this, the answer is minus infinity to minus 3. Okay, minus 3 is in denominator, should not be included. Okay, then after union minus 1 to 2, union 4 to 6, and minus 0 comma minus 9. Minus 9, yeah, that's correct. And here minus 8. Minus 8 you have minus 8 plus here minus 8 should be included. Reason it should be here. Minus 8 already it is there. No need to mention this one. So here the answer is what? Already the minus 8. 0 minus infinity to minus 3. In that minus 8 already it is there. So no need to include that. So the final answer is, this is the final answer. Minus 9 comma 0 will be removed out. Okay. This is your final answer. And minus 3. Look at the minus 3. It is there in denominator, so it should be excluded. Okay. And next what you have? So option number minus 1 close to 4. 4 is there on numerator, it should be included. Actually option B is the right answer, but by mistake I have made this is a closed bracket. So this is for everyone